If you instantly want better edge control and stride efficiency, you may not need more mobility drills. You might just need to load your hips the right way. Hockey is built on hip internal rotation. Every stride, cut, and transition requires shifting your center of mass over one leg, internally rotating that hip, and pushing through the ice. If you lack hip internal rotation, you can't fully load into your edge, your pelvis can't rotate properly, and your push leaks out instead of driving back. Most mobility drills don't fix this because they don't use load. Load does two key things: helps the hip bone glide back into the socket, and stretches and strengthens the tissue at the same time. So instead of forcing motion, you create it naturally under load, just like skating. And this is how you do the exercise. Get a dumbbell and a foam wedge. Stand with the back foot on the wedge. This is the hip you're working. Take a half step forwards with the front foot. Hold the weight in the opposite hand of the back leg. Shift 70 to 80% of your weight into your back leg, keeping the front foot lightly grounded, slightly bending both knees, hinging your hips back. Let the weight drift across the body. About a 3-second descent, keeping your spine neutral. Stop when you feel a stretch in the back of the hip and return to the starting position and repeat the movement. Some common mistakes that we see is having your weight distribution either in the front leg or in the middle portion of your body, rounding your back, making sure that your body is erect and straight, or having no rotation happening. What you should feel is a deep stretch in the back of your hip. You shouldn't be feeling pinching in the front of the hip or any pressure in your lower back. This directly improves edge control, stride power, transition, and balance. Do about 10 repetitions of 2 sets of this exercise.